Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide any app from Homescreen and App Library in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the App Store, and in the App Store you need to search for one application name as Cap Master Your Screen Time. To search this application, and you will see here at the bottom Cap Master Your Screen Time. Just tap on it, just tap install or download. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now click on continue. Click on continue. Now allow with Face ID. Click on done. So now you can see the user interface of the software, right? So you can see here you can add the apps or you can create more groups. As you can see here, you can just click on this new app group, and at the bottom you will see here some options, apps, next is John, next is schedule, and the last one at the bottom is settings. So under the settings you will get a tons of options, so I'm not gonna discuss all the options here. So here you can see one option written passcode, right? Just tap on it. So you can log this application even with the passcode or the Face ID, whichever you want. So I'll just log it with the passcode. So I've added. So if I minimize it and if I try to open it, so it will ask a passcode or the password in order to open this application. So now in order to add an application, just tap on this choose app. Now on the above you can see there is a restriction mode. The option 1 is the standard. As you can read some instructions there which will block from opening, but still it will show from the home screen and app library, which is the standard option. And the second option is complete. This second option will hide from both home screen as well as from the app library. So by default the second option is being selected, so I'll use the second option. And now you can see at the bottom choose apps. Just tap on it. Now it will show all the groups, or you can directly search here. So I'll just search for one application name as BBLD. So I'll search, I'll just select it. Now once your selection is done, just click on done. Now you can see one icon is added. Now on the left top corner you can see done again. Just tap on it. Now it's being done. Now here you will get one new option, set screen time limits. Just tap on it. Now just enable it. Now if you want to immediately hide it, then just select the 0 hours and 0 minutes, and you can set this individually also. Restore apps at midnight, you can just enable this option also if you want to restore it at midnight, or you can just turn it up if you want to hide it completely. Now click on done on the right top corner. Now you can see your status is showing hidden. So let me minimize it. So now you can see the application which were present on my home screen is being hidden. So if you go to the app library, if I search for BBLD, so there is no application showing up. But don't worry, it's not being uninstalled, it's just simply being hidden both from the app library as well as from the home screen. So if you want to unhide it again, just open the application again, just put the application password which you have set. Now just tap on this hidden option. Now if you minimize it, now you will see the application is reappearing on the home screen as well as in the app library. Let us search in the app library. So you can see here it's showing up again. So by using this application named as Cap Master Your Screen Time, you can easily hide any app from a home screen and app library in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.